Hello students, today we will start a new topic, that is computer networking. So first we will discuss what is computer networking. The process of connecting computers and peripheral devices with each other so that they can exchange data is called computer networking. Means the process of connecting computers is called computer networking. And here peripheral devices means the other devices like printer, scanner, speakers. Okay, the other devices can also be connected with the computer and it is called computer networking. Okay, next, what is computer network? The computer network is a system of interconnected computers which can communicate with each other. Means while using the internet, all computers are connected to a network, that is wide area network. Means all the computers can share or communicate with each other. This is computer network. Next, what are the advantages of computer network? It helps in reducing the cost of hardware. Means we don't have to buy the books every time if we want to get knowledge about something, we can just google it or ask anyone online. Next, store information on one centralized location. Means we using computer network, all the information is stored in one centralized location, and anyone who wants to get any information, they can just google and get that information. So we don't have to store information at any place. Next, the information can be easily shared by the people. Yes, of course, the information can be easily shared by the people. You can share anything with your friends can share anything with you. Okay. Next, what is a server? A server is also called a host computer. Okay, it controls the access to the hardware and software on the network. It provides a centralized storage area for the programs, data and information. A server is a computer on the internet. Okay. What are the different types of server? The different types of server are dedicated server, print server, database server, network server and web server. All these servers have different work. All are dedicated to their work. Next, what is client? A client is a computer which depends on the server for all the resources. Means our computer is a client and internet is a server. So our computer is always dependent on the internet, that is Google or any search engine for the information. We don't have the information. So what are the components required for a network? The components required for a network are network interface card, hub or switch, router, modem, networking cable or Ethernet cable. What is a modem? A modem is a hardware device that is used to connect a computer to the internet via telephone line or a wireless medium. It stands for modulator, demodulator. It converts data from digital to analog and vice versa. Okay. Next, difference between modulation and demodulation. The process of converting analog signals to digital, means analog signals are converted to digital, and this process is called modulation, whereas the process of converting digital signal to analog is called demodulation. Means the conversion of digital signals to analog signals is called demodulation. Next, the different types of network. We have different types of network. First is LAN. LAN means local area network. Next, MAN. MAN means metropolitan area network. LAN is preferred over a small area, means a building, a office building, a school building, etc. Metropolitan means it is preferred to a small area, not that small as LAN. It can connect the computers to a large extent, like a city. Next, wide area network, WAN. It can connect worldwide network. Next, PAN. PAN means personal area network, like Bluetooth and campus area network. These are simple ones. First, LAN. LAN stands for local area network. It is a digital communication system that interconnects a large number of computers and other peripheral devices within a radius of 1 kilometer. It is usually preferred for a small area such as a school building, office, etc. MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It consists of two or more local area networks that usually spans several buildings in the same city or town. WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. It is digital communication system that interconnects a large number of computers in a wide geographical area. The example of WAN is Internet. Next, topology. Topology refers to the geometric arrangement of computers in a network. The computers can be arranged in many types of arrangement. Each computer in a network is called a node. Means every computer is called a node if they are connected in a network. The different types of topology. First is bus topology. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a single common path. Now let me explain you. If we take this as a computer, so while using bus topology, the computers are arranged in this manner. There is a common part. This is common part, and all computers are connected to this common part. These are the computers, also called nodes. All the nodes are connected to the common part. Next, ring topology. All the nodes are connected in a circular path. Here you can see this is a computer or a node, and these are several computers. So like this. This is ring topology. Means all computers are connected like this. This is ring topology. Next, star topology. Star topology. Here in this topology, central node acts as a hub to which all other nodes are connected. So let us see. This is a central computer, also called hub. It acts as a hub. Now we have several computers here. All the computers are connected to the central computer. This is the central computer or central node, and it acts as a hub. All the computers are connected to this computer or this node. So this is star topology. Next, tree topology. Nodes are connected as branches of a tree where hub acts as a root node. Now let us see how it occurs. This is root node. This is one computer, this is the other computer, this is third computer. Now this computer is also connected with two or more computers. This computer is also connected with two or more computers. This is tree topology. There is one central node, it acts as the root node. Okay, now mesh topology. Every single node in a network is connected to all other nodes of computers in the network, means all the computers are connected to each other. This is the best topology. Now let us try to draw mesh topology. One computer here, one computer here, one computer here, one computer here, one computer here. Now this computer is connected to this computer is connected to this. This is mesh topology. All computers are connected to each other. This is the best topology. Okay. Now, what is a protocol? Protocol is a set of rules that governs the communication between the computers on a network. Means these are the rules to be followed while communicating with the other computers on the network. There are different types of protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, TCP/IP, POP3, IMAP, SMTP. Means there are different types of protocols. Each protocol is used in different work. So I think you have understood what is protocol. Nowadays we are listening COVID protocol. This is a common term nowadays. So we can relate this COVID protocol with this protocol. Means COVID protocol means the rules to be followed in the COVID times, and this is also a protocol, means rules. So simply protocol means rules. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.